Cool. 3, 2, 1. All right. Hey there, friends. How's it going? In this GrooveFunnels, GroovePages tutorial, we're going to just see how to quickly build a page. So let's go to my site. Okay, well, I'm already in my GrooveFunnels, GroovePages account. We're going to go to manage site, right? So I got different domains and whatnot. You can create a new, depending on your account, you can create a new site. There's my... Okay, I think we're back now. All right, awesome. So here's my page, my site. I've got a whole bunch of pages, right? So if you want to create a new page, you're going to go here. This is in GrooveFunnels, GroovePages 2.0, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to go here, right? And now they built it out. Here you have elements. So as you're building your page, all the different elements that you can add are going to be here. These are blocks. They're supposed to be pre-built blocks that they're still working on that, but you can create global blocks. That's still kind of in development for the time being, at least while I'm recording this. I'd probably stay away from that until it's a little more fully featured. This one here are the pages, right? And you can set up if you want to add it to a funnel or create a funnel. So totality, there's going to be the webinar function, pop-ups if you want to have an exit pop-up or something like that. Okay, webinars, again, they just released with Groove 2.0 the webinar functionality, so that's going to be there. But we're going to stay here with website, and this is this particular my domain, right? All the pages I got. And finally, in settings, this is going to be for site and page settings. So you can go really granular in the page settings, what you're going to name the page. If you want to add meta tags and whatnot for SEO purposes, you're going to do that in here. If you have any tracking codes, that's going to go in here. Styling, if you're into style sheets and CSS, that's going to go in here. If you want to have a simple redirect, you can do that and just put in the page here. You can redirect it to another page inside of your site or just an external URL. So we're going to actually disconnect that. We don't need that right now. And this is an exit prompt. Like if somebody's going to leave the page, then a pop-up will show up. Are you sure you want to leave? All right, so a lot of cool settings in Groove 2.0 now. But what we're going to do here now is go back to pages. Okay, we're just going to hit this plus icon here. Okay, and then what loads up are the preloaded templates. If you want to do a template, you can do that. You can, let's see, filter by tags, and then see, let's say you're doing a landing page, right? You want to just do or publish a landing page really quickly. I always encourage people to just do that. It doesn't make sense to spend, especially if you're early on, to spend a ton of time, doing a brand new thing from scratch. Like, pick a template, make edits to it, and then launch. See the kind of traffic you could get. If you can put maybe heat map or some kind of tracking code to see where people are clicking, where people are leaving the page, what they're clicking the most, what they're clicking the least, then you can make edits to it. But I think get your pages out there and see what happens. So in this case, let's do a real estate landing page real quick. No, that can't be right. I know there are real estate pages in here. Okay. All right, so we're just going to do landing page because there used to be real estate in here. Let's just pick one, blah, 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 blah. I like this one. This one, cheat sheet landing page. Boom. We're going to do that. And we're going to select it as a template. Now, if you did want to do it from scratch, that's fine. Not a problem. You're just going to use blank template, and it's going to be a blank screen, right? But we're going to use the cheat sheet template. Import the template. It's taken a long time because I'm recording this on the cloud, so don't be mad at me. Now, while this is loading, again, give it a couple seconds. Just because I'm recording on the cloud, it's probably taking super long. I'm leaving this open because I actually want to save it before I do anything. What I've found in the past, at least, especially with this Groove 2.0 release recently, there's still some bugs, and so I would do work on a page and then it just disappears. So we're going to go down and find the page 6, right? And we're going to head to the settings and page information. And let's just call it, I want to rename it right now. Let's go cheat sheet. And this is going to be the end of it. So this is at my richardkistman.com domain. So we'll just do the same thing. So it'll be richardkistan.com/cheat sheet. Favicon, if you want to put an icon or something that shows up at the top here, that's going to be the favicon. Let's use my logo. Choose my Richie Kiston logo. I'm going to select. All right. I'm going to leave all this because, again, that's just showing how to do the page real quick. So always make sure you use this. They need to make this a little more pronounced, but this is the save button. So you definitely want to check that off. Make sure it gets saved, because I found that if you don't, sometimes it gets buggy as you're playing around with the site, with the page, and it just gets lost. So save there. And all right, let's just make a couple of changes real quick. So I'm going to move this image. I'm going to add my logo. The cool thing is they added stuff really easy to change now. You don't have to go to the side anymore. So I'm going to make that Richie. Cool. Update. Save that. Oh, okay. I'm going to change this to say contact us, right? Or get your cheat sheet, right? We just want it's super slow right now. Okay, finally. Button. So we're going to go to the settings, and then the main label is we're going to say download, get your cheat sheet. How about that? Get your cheat sheet now. Cool. Let's use the left icon, and I'm going to do checklist. This is what I want. Yeah. Cool. Okay. And again, we're going to update. Make sure it updates. Oh, I said cheat sheet. No. Now, so we're going to update. And we're going to save that. Okay, cool. Blah, blah, blah. So again, you can go through if you want, whatever personal branding is, you can change the text, obviously. If you want to change the, that was the color stuff. I'm just going to go over here, change the side. Let's see, cheat sheet. I want this tag to be text is going to be, what's the font? I'll change the font real quick. Let's go Admiral Fat Face. Okay, we're going to say, because this is our company name. Let's go 36. Cool. I'll download the cheat sheet. Obviously, you can just, I'm not going to go design a page, but you can move elements around. Let's say you wanted to do a maybe testimonials with a slider. Let's just add that right now, right? So it's going to be a slider that has, let's say, testimonials in between. I'm going to, let's see, add this. This should be a block. Okay. I want an empty block. Okay, we're going to go empty. Okay, and I'm just going to put in here now a slider, just a real quick image slider. Boom, drag and drop. Love it. There you go. Okay, let's see what's going on here. I need a stronger computer. Okay, let's just do this again. I'm telling you, if I'm not recording the cloud, I'll be fine. Okay. Oh, okay. It might have taken us time to get there. So as you can see, I've got like multiple sliders now. Oh, it's okay. It's telling me GroovePages is taking a really long time. Do I want to kill it? This is funny. All right, it's okay though. Okay. Anyways, what I was trying to do here is very simple. You put a slider. Okay. Okay. I want to get into the slider, so I'm going to go down, do my breadcrumbs, make it very simple for me. I'm going to go to the settings, number of slides. Let's say you have 5 testimonials, right? You want people, you gave your cheat sheet out or whatever it is. If it's in real estate, you're giving your free home buyer's guide or whatever it is. Slide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slide animation. Let's just do slide right or something. Slide in right. Cool. Okay. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Update. I'm going to save that. Okay. Okay. Let's see if this is the way. Where's my images? Again, let's say I had 5 testimonials or so. An image. Because you can add video as well. Let's say a video with testimonials. That'd be cool, right? Let's add block. Hey, no, I don't want that. Okay. But you get the thing. Like as you go through, you'll add block. Slide is empty. I just want to do empty block. This slider element used to be easier, much simpler. Slider. Okay. Can't you just add the images here? Okay, let's say each one is going to last for 4 seconds because we don't want it to be too fast. Okay, update. So if I add a block, let's just test this out. I haven't tried this since they updated it. Okay. I just want an image. Like, why would I have to put a block inside of the slider? Empty blocks. So let's add that. Do I do the stylable element here? Oh, okay. This is crazy. What happened here? What does it say? Your block is empty. Try adding a What the hell? Let's just add a block and see what happens. Let's add one of the blocks. All right, so I said I want to use an empty block. I assume if you put the block in, and then you can put the element, right? All right, let's try this again because it's not letting me add a. Let's go with a very simple one. We're going to go only text, okay? And then I'm going to add my image. So again, if I had testimonials as images, that is kind of crazy, but that's the way you have to do it. Let's go to an image. We're going to drop that wherever. Yeah, let's go here so I can delete everything else. All right, and then I'm just going to play around with that real quick. We'll just drop an image in there. I don't have testimonial images, but let's say you did. You would just have all 5 lined up and then drop them inside there so that the slider plays it automatically. Oh my gosh. This is an older MacBook, so. Geez. All right, cool. Settings. I'm just going to drop an image in there again, just to help us out here. Let's go with eviction notice. Okay. Update. Save. You got it. Okay. All right, so that's it. That's the way I guess you got to do the slider now. We're just going to delete this stuff. We don't need this for our testimonial blocks. And again, I just was showing this to demonstrate how you can add stuff to a page. It's just a lot of playing. Don't worry. What I always encourage people to do is just go and throw stuff on there, see how it reacts, because you really want to understand how what does what. So that's that. We're going to leave that. Anyways, let's do this just before I forget. The final thing you always want to do, especially with this Groove 2.0, because I found it to be really buggy. You definitely want to save. Okay. And now for publishing, depending on what you have in terms of your subscription, free versus premium and whatnot, you may not have the option for hosting if you're going to do a Groove subdomain or a custom domain. But here, this is already set for the this domain. The entire site is already set to richardkiston.com, so everything's going to be published to that site. So we're just going to do the current page. Let's publish, and that's it. You'll see, and give it a couple seconds, couple minutes to propagate. And then if you go to richardkiston.com/cheat sheet, hopefully by the time you check this video out, it should be up. Anyways, that was a very short tutorial on how to create pages in GrooveFunnels, GroovePages, groove.cm 2.0, whatever you want to call it now. Hopefully you found this informative, helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'm going to try to start doing a few more tutorials with this, depending on where the questions go. Maybe just keep on building on this page so that it's like a living sample moving forward. But again, you can check this out at richardkiston.com/groove. If you haven't heard of Groove, it's a funnel builder website. Your subscription kind of gets you everything you need to run a business: email, video hosting, webinar. There's a whole bunch of other projects in the pipeline. It's GrooveCart, GrooveSell if you want to do memberships, Groove Member. Lots of different things. A lot of bang for your buck. There's, not sure if at the time you're seeing this, it still exists, but there is a lifetime deal, or was a lifetime deal available, which is, again, if you can get on that, awesome. I did it early on and been getting all the updates, and I'm thankful I did, because I don't have to worry about website stuff ever again. Anyways, hopefully you found this. If you liked it, great. If not, don't give it a thumbs down. Just leave it alone. Anyways, until next time, y'all, take care, be well.